Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to connect Shopify store to Google Analytics. I'll be showing you step by step how to set up Google Analytics on your Shopify store. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, you are going to go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see online store, you are going to tap on that. After selecting it, you are going to tap on Preferences from the drop-down menu option. And once you have selected Preferences, you are going to scroll down, and here you'll see Google Analytics. So you'll see right here where you should paste your Google Analytics code. And to get this code, all you'll have to do is go into your search bar, for example, google.com, and you're going to type in Google Analytics. And in case you're wondering what Google Analytics is used for, you can see right here, it is a platform that collects data from your websites and apps to create reports that provide insights into your business. So if you're wondering where you're getting visitors from and also how they are engaging with your website, this is the perfect app to use. So once you have done that, you're going to tap on Google Analytics. Then you will be redirected and you're going to sign in using your Gmail account. After signing in, you're going to be redirected to the home page. And from here, I want you to go down to the bottom left-hand corner, right where you see admin. After selecting admin, you can tap on create account. And from here, you can add account name. So for this example, I will type in Shopify store. You can put the name of your Shopify store if you want. After doing that, you're going to scroll down and you can read the information right here. But I'll leave all of the pre-selected ones there. I won't untick any of these. After doing that, you're going to tap on next. Then you're going to add the property name. And again, you can put the Shopify store name if you want. So I'll do that. Then from here, you'll select reporting time zone and you can select the time zone that you're in. So for example, I will use the United States time zone. Then you can also choose the currency. You can select the currency right here. And after selecting the currency, I'll leave it at British pound, better yet. So that isn't a big deal. The currency and the time zone isn't a major deal. And you'll simply tap on next. After tapping on next, you will see help us tailor your experience by answering the following questions. And you'll select the industry category. You can select any one. So this all depends on what type of Shopify store you have. For example, if you're selling computers and electronics, you could select that. And also you can scroll down if you're selling home and garden stuff, you could select that also. And also if you're selling if you're doing a shopping store, you could select shopping. So it all depends. You can select any one of these options. For this example, I'll tap on shopping. Then business size, how many employees do you have? If you're a one-man team, you'll select small, which is 1 to 10 employees. If you have numerous employees from between 11 to 100, you'll select medium, and you can see that it continues going up. As a one-man team, I'll select small. Then how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? And you can tick all that apply. Measure customer engagement, optimize my site and app experience, measure data. You can select all of them, optimize my advertising costs, increase my conversion, and also measure content monetization. I could do that also. Then you're going to scroll down and you will see analyze my online sales, measure app installs, measure lead. Then that's it. I'll tap on create. After doing that, what you're going to do next, you'll scroll down and read this section real quick. Then you're going to tap on I accept. After selecting I accept, just wait a few seconds. And you can see right here, choose a platform. And I'll choose web. And more than likely, you're going to choose web also. Then you are going to paste in your Shopify store URL. So you are going to go back onto Shopify and you are going to copy your Shopify store URL and you are going to go back into analytics. So let me paste that real quick and clear the first section right here. After doing that, my website name, I'll type in my website name real quick. Then from here, you'll tap on Create Stream. And you want to ensure that Enhance Measurement is toggled on. And you're going to tap on Create Stream. Then give it a few seconds. And you can see right here, data collection isn't active for your website if you install tags more than 48 hours. And then after doing that, you'll see install your Google tag. Okay, after you have finished creating the Google tag, what I want you to do is go back into your Shopify store, and on the same page that we were previously on right here, what I want you to do is tap right where you see Google Channel app. You're going to tap on that and it is going to redirect you to this dashboard. And from here you will see your Google account, and you can add the particular Google account that you use to sign up with your Google Analytics. So I didn't use this particular account, so I'll connect the account that I use. So I'll disconnect this one right here, and I'm going to add the account that I used. So I'll tap on connect as you want to sign in with the same account. So I'll sign in, tap on allow. Once it is connected, you're going to scroll down now, and from here you will see the property. As you can see right here, remember I had created the property just a test. It's as easy as that. So you will see the same property that you had created in Google Analytics once you have signed in with the same email account that you used to sign up with Google Analytics. Then you are going to tap on connect and just give it a few seconds, and you can see right there your Google Analytics property, and you can see you have successfully set up Google Analytics 4. And that's it. So from now on, you'll now be able to view your analytics once you go into Google Analytics right there, and you'll also be able to view it on Shopify by going into analytics. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.